first time, we're going to try smoking sausage stuffed mushrooms. I'm going to do a version that I would like, and my husband's going to do a version on another video of what he would like. You know, just because you haven't done something before doesn't mean you can't try it. It's really not that hard. It's just about having fun and trying new things. So we're going to start by cleaning the mushrooms. All I'm going to do is pop the stem out. I never understood the cleaning of the inside out, because when you cook with mushrooms on an everyday basis, you don't clean it all out. You just chop it up and eat it. So all I'm going to do is take the stem out and just make sure that there's no dirt on it. I'm going to just season the mushrooms a little bit before we stuff them. Just a little salt and pepper. Again, you can make your stuffing however you like. Like I said, this is just something we're trying that we think we'll like. So we just picked up some sausage, just some plain regular pork sausage from, you know, your favorite place, your favorite sausage, whatever you'd like. I sauteed up a half of an onion and a garlic clove with a little bit of salt and pepper, so I'm adding that to mine. This is 1.5 links of pork sausage in here. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper. You just want to add a couple tablespoons of any kind of breadcrumbs. I'm thinking you can even leave this out, but I'm going to add just a tablespoon just to bind it. And then my choice of additional flavor is going to be this jalapeno cheddar cream cheese. So again, I never made it before, so I'm just going to eyeball it, and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in. Just mix it all up. So I think that looks about good. So now I'll just stuff my mushrooms. Now, you don't have to smoke these. You can cook them in the oven, or you can even cook them on the barbecue. We're just going to try them on our smoker. Now, I have a bunch of leftover filling. What I think I'm going to do with it is I'm going to stuff a couple chicken breasts. That'll be in another video, but instead of throwing it out or saving it for later, I don't know about that, but I'm going to try stuffing a couple chicken breasts, and that'll be in another video.
Okay, so we're going to get that smoker up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and get these in the smoker. All right, so I got the cherry wood chips here. Gonna get that started. And you press the wood button here, and it'll move the next piece of wood on top of the heater. All right, so let's get our food and put it on the smoker. It's just about 250 degrees now. So yeah, I got our mushrooms here. Put our mushrooms in. Now, if you don't worry about mushroom juice dripping on your meat, then don't worry about it. If you do, then you might want to put some parchment paper or something so the juices don't drip on your meat. Mushroom juice isn't a bad thing, so we're just going to leave it as is, so it can drip right on the meat. So we're going to let it go for about 2 hours, and then we'll come and check on it. All right, so mushrooms are done. If you are aware of cooking mushrooms, you know that they'll shrink a little bit in size, but that's why you just make more of them. Right? It's just for two of us. So you can see sausage is all cooked. Take a bite here, a little juicy. You had great smoke flavor to it. I don't think there's any other way we're going to cook these mushrooms again. We used to just do them on the barbecue, but put them on the smoker if we're already smoking something, or just well worth it. So definitely give these a try. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when I post another video. We'll talk to you later.